We get video renders of the OnePlus 7 and some of the rumored specifications. According to Ming Chi Kuo, the Galaxy S10 will have a good year outperforming the S9, and Apple is still king of smartwatches with the Apple Watch going crazy in numbers last quarter. I'm Jaime Rivera, and a certain person that edits this video is actually going to be in New York tomorrow. So how about an episode of the recap with him? Would you like that? Let us know in the comments. This is Pocketnow Daily, sponsored by the Huawei MateBook 13. The official news today begin with deals, sort of. I mean, if you want to get yourself a Razer Phone 2, it's currently on BestBuy for $500 with a bundled Cricket service. But the cool part is you don't really have to use the Cricket service if you don't want to. You can just use the phone because it's actually unlocked. It's a great price, and I feel that it's a good phone for it. Now let's talk about Google Duplex, that service that helps you answer calls and do many other things. It's currently now available in the United States. Obviously, it'll allow you to order tables and make reservations and this and that. I'm really looking forward to giving it a try. I mean, it looked really good at Google I/O when we saw it. Let's just see if it's as good in the real world. Now let's talk about wearables. Believe it or not, the company that is still king of this department, even if hard to believe given the price tag, is Apple with the Apple Watch. According to the IDC, 16 million units were shipped by Apple, which we assume is shared between AirPods and the Apple Watch, and 10.4 million of these were the Apple Watch. Obviously, they don't specify which variant or anything, but it's followed by Xiaomi and every other company afterwards. Hopefully, more competition comes. Now let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy S10. It's pretty much in the hands of everyone as of tomorrow. Some of you are already getting it now. According to recent analytics, it didn't perform as great as many people were expecting, but it has outperformed the Galaxy S9, and Ming Chi Kuo is forecasting that it will sell between 30 to 40 million units anyways. So yes, it'll do better than the Galaxy S9, which is great. I do feel that it's a great phone, but stay tuned for our full review. We're just waiting for a final software update, which is the correct way to do a review. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with the OnePlus 7. We've got final 3D renders in video of what the device might look like. It follows pretty much everything that we've seen with the mechanical camera at the top and the triple cameras at the back. We hear that these cameras will be of 16 and 20 megapixels, if I got that right. And then the third sensor is actually a time of flight sensor, which is great, Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, and obviously crazy specifications as OnePlus usually does. Let us know in the comments down below, what do you think? Do you like what you see in these renders or not? Because I like them a lot. I'm just concerned about the water resistance that existed before and that it probably will go away. I'm hoping it doesn't. Today's episode of the Pocketnow Daily is made possible by the Huawei MateBook 13. Even if Huawei is relatively new to this category, last year's MateBook X Pro was crowned the king of laptops by many publications. The MateBook 13 is slightly smaller, but with 88% screen-to-body ratio, the most up-to-date internals of 2019, 10 hours of battery life, faster and smarter charging than most thanks to its 65-watt adapter included, and best of all starts at $999 for the Core i5 and $1299 for the Core i7 with discrete graphics. Follow the link in the description below to learn more about what makes the Huawei MateBook 13 so cool. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.